Very closely approaching T-minus 1 minute. I just want to remind all of us here that what you're looking at on your screen is 85% 3D printed, and it is about to fly. Next up, our range coordinator will ask the range for their final status.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
That was confirmation. The range is green for launch.
Propellant closing out.
Flight computer configured for launch.
Under 1 minute.
LD, are you go for launch? LD, go for launch.
There's that final go for launch. We are just over 30 seconds away until the maiden launch of this vehicle. Good luck, Terran 1, and have fun. Here we go.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 1. Lift off.
Terran 1 has cleared the tower.
Pitch over maneuver starting. Launch pad facing.
Look at that blue fire! If you can hear me over the cheering, the vehicle is now headed downrange in an easterly direction over the Atlantic Ocean. Our next ascent milestone is max Q, around 80 seconds.
Terran 1 is supersonic. Get telemetry switch over at the ground station. Max Q.
We are on our way to making a new history. Terran came ready to play today. You just heard that call out indicating Terran 1 just made it through. Max Q. We just completed a major step in proving to the world that 3D printed rockets are structurally viable. Up next, we'll be looking for a call out that stage 1 performance is nominal.